Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making the host PC reachable. Enable remote desktop in system settings, set sleep to never while connected, and allow firewall access. Next, install the official remote desktop app on your phone, log in with the same Microsoft or domain account if required. Once done, verify the host's IP address or dynamic DNS name and write down the username and password. Make sure your mobile device is on the same network or that port forwarding /VPN is ready before continuing. Now open the app and create a new connection entry. Type the host IP or hostname, assign a friendly label, and enter the user account. Choose whether to save the password. Configure display resolution and scaling to match your screen, enable sound redirection or touch keyboard options, and reduce bandwidth usage for cellular. For security, require network-level authentication and validate server certificates. If you use a VPN, connect it first. These steps prevent prompts and ensure a stable, secure session. Tap the saved connection to initiate the session. When prompted, accept a trusted certificate and wait for the desktop to render. Once connected, test mouse/touch input, clipboard copy/paste, file transfer, and audio to confirm functionality. To finish, sign out properly on the host to free resources and close the app. If you can't connect, check the host IP, firewall rules, and credentials. Try switching networks or using a VPN. If certificate errors persist, reconfigure or reinstall certificates on the host.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.